Hello and welcome to the setup video for the Cyan unit. This is a very small scale direct air carbon capture unit that's powered by 1.5 watts of electricity. There's the 3 watts going to the fan as well if you choose that setup option. But really the portion that is really of interest is the inside of the Cyan unit, which you can see here. And there are ports on either side, a fan to the right, an inlet port to the left, and in here there's a pump to the right, which is in blue, and then that pump feeds air into a small reaction chamber, and this reaction chamber is where the carbon dioxide actually gets inputted into the calcium hydroxide and then forms calcium carbonate. So with this, I'll open up the box and show you what this looks like on the inside. So here we go. On the inside we have, of course, the 2 inlet and outlet ports, and we also have the inner location where the coffee filters can be installed. If I open this up, you'll see that this lid tends to flap down, but if you move it such that it doesn't flap down, you can have easy access to input your coffee filter into this location. This air stone allows you to get very fine bubbles of air, which serve to humidify the inner chamber a little bit faster. So with this, I'll just remove the lid to show you that this lid actually floats on top. This lid is what you can put your coffee filter on. The bottom is a Sabre hummus container that happens to fit within this box really well. You can use any other container that you might be able to find. As long as the water level is about halfway up the side of the container, that will be okay. There are some holes from additional usages of this box, so disregard those. Basically all you need to have is an inlet port here. This is actually a round port with a safety grill on the inside and outside to let the air in. And then over here there is a fan. It's a 120 millimeter fan, which is USB powered, and then you'll see the wires going off to the back. These wires, if I fold the box over, the box lid, and show you where these connect to, there is a mounted power strip here on the back that has both USB as well as standard AC outlets. So with this you can plug in everything you need to, and it's all in one convenient place. So this is the Cyan unit. We're hoping that we will be able to get more carbon capture from this unit. The amount that we get so far is at most 12.5% weight increase, which comes out to about 2.1 grams per 10 grams input of calcium hydroxide. So with this little unit you can achieve that. It takes a long amount of time to dry, so the air actually flows through here. You can take your coffee filter out, put it on top, and have the air flow through here to dry off the coffee filter over time. And it takes about 16, we've done it for about 16 hours of dry time. And once that's done, then you'll be able to weigh your calcium carbonate material and also do a vinegar test to make sure that there's calcium carbonate. It should be coating the outside of the calcium hydroxide particles. So with that, make sure to go to the Open Air Collective website for more information on Cyan, and join our Discord server. We are at the Cyan channel on Discord. That will allow you to post any support or technical questions that you might have. Thanks a lot. Good luck.